Don't let the people fool you to say the Salafis divide. Don't let the people fool you into saying that sticking to the manhaj of the Salaf divides. When we warn against being that doesn't divide. That unites. That unites. And I meant it the other day when I said it. Look at the unity that exists between the Salafis. And find me an example of that unity anywhere else. We have a unity, barakallahu feekum, that is not limited to any one place. هذا هو, right? It's not limited, barakallahu feekum. We are united. Across the earth we are united. The Sunni, the Salafi, he can go to a land where he's never been. Right? And I've witnessed this. He can go to a land where he's never been. He doesn't know any Salafis. But when he meets that Salafi, and they get to talking, right? You say, so what books do you read? Wallahi, I'm reading the books of Sheikh Rabi'a. All of a sudden, your hearts are joined. That's it. You love that man. Right then and there, you love that man. Right? What books are you reading? Wallahi, I'm benefiting from Kitab al-Tawheed, Sheikh Fawzan. You love that man. Right there, you know, you will have this man's back. You're in France right now. You don't know anyone in France. But whatever happens, you got this man's back. Because you know he's Salafi. Right? You know he's Salafi. That's the unity that comes. That's the unity that comes by following Quran and Sunnah. Look at these different groups and parties. Look at these different masajid. Where's the unity, right? You have to fight for unity. And don't let them say that we are not united. Fight. Fight that belief. That when they say, right? And this is what this man Aqil put out. Oh, we're not united. Insinuated, oh no. The Ash'ari say we're not united. Wallahi, we're united. We are united. There's no unity like the unity of Salafiyah. I haven't seen a unity like the unity of Salafiyah. Whether you limit that to the West or you take it all across the earth. Or you take it all across the earth. We are united. So in the States, we are united, ikhwan. We are united. So all these different brothers that are working in the different cities, right? You have Akhuna, Abu Suhaila, Umar. We're united. I've met Umar maybe 2 times in my life or 3 times in my life. But I have his back. Let someone say something about Umar. Hassan al-Sumali, Akhuna al-Fadil, Abu Suhail, Anwar. All of these brothers are. Those that I've mentioned, those that I haven't mentioned. We are united. So it is Salafiyah that leads to unity. It is depending upon your intellect and your rationality. Look at the Ikhwan. The Ikhwan of today are saying something different from the Ikhwan of yesterday. Right? The Ikhwan of yesterday, let them meet the Khawarij. And see what they would have done to them. But our Aqidah, my Aqidah today, your Aqidah today, the Aqidah of Sheikh Rabi'a, the Aqidah of Sheikh Ubaid, the Aqidah of Sheikh Salih al-Fawzan, the Aqidah of Sheikh al-Ghudayyan, Sheikh al-Luhaydan, all of the Mashaykh, Sheikh Ibn Baz, everyone that's passed away in our time, everyone that's come before them, everyone that's come before them, everyone that's come before them, and before them, and before them, all the way back to the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, our da'wah is one. Our call is one. Our aqidah is the same. Our manhaj is the same. That's what we're fighting for. That's what we're fighting for, ikhwan. Barakallahu feekum.